Hi, I'm Riverside elder law attorney Dennis Sandoval, and I have with me here today our elder and disability care coordinator, Diana Ramirez. And we're going to be talking a little bit about assisted living facilities. So Diana, what is an assisted living facility?
Assisted living facilities are another housing alternative for seniors who may need help with dressing, bathing, eating, and toileting, but do not require the intensive medical care that they would receive in a skilled nursing facility.
So what services are provided by an assisted living facility?
Residents of an assisted living facility usually have their own units or apartments. In addition to having supportive staff and meals provided, most assisted living facilities offer additional services such as healthcare management and monitoring, help with activities of daily living as bathing, dressing, and toileting, housekeeping and laundry, medication reminders and/or administration of the medications, recreational activities. Assisted living facilities are a very social community with daily events and scheduled activities.
Well, that sounds pretty neat. I think I might like to stay in a facility like that. So if I was looking for an assisted living facility, what would be the first step that I should take to get started in a search for a comfortable and appropriate assisted living facility?
I would recommend planning ahead. To avoid moving the resident multiple times, ask how the community will care for your loved one if their needs begin to change and they require additional care. If the community you are choosing is close to family or friends, are there any shopping centers or any businesses nearby or within walking distance? Depending on your loved one's needs, you will want to know if the community offers memory care or has hospice services.
And what other steps can I take to assure that the community that I'm selecting is appropriate for my senior?
I would visit the community often, at different times before making a decision. You may even want to consider going unannounced. Visit at meal times. Ask to have a meal so that you may be able to observe the quality of the food and the mealtime service. You can also observe the interactions among the residents and staff and residents with other residents. Review their activity calendar to be sure the community has the social, recreational, and spiritual activities that interest your loved one. Talk to the residents. Have them tell you what their experience have been while being a resident at that community.
Would you recommend any additional research be done regarding the community and its staff?
I would ask about what types of training the staff receive and how frequently they receive that training. You can always review the state licensing reports. These will explain any deficiencies that the community has received and how they made changes to resolve those issues.
As a geriatric care manager, can you assist clients of our law firm in selecting an assisted living facility?
Yes, I am familiar with the communities in the area, and depending on your loved one's needs, I can assist in locating an appropriate community for them.
So what does it cost to be in one of these assisted living facilities?
Although assisted living costs are less than nursing home care, it is still fairly expensive. Depending on the kind of assisted living and type of services an older person chooses, the price costs can range from anywhere of $2,000 to $3,500 a month. Because there can be extra fees for additional services, it is very important for older persons to find out what is included in the basic rate and what is the cost for additional services.
With some facilities, if we're getting additional care, couldn't the services even go as much as $5,000 a month?
They could, with the level of care and the needs that are required.
Okay. So how is this cost paid for?
Primarily, the seniors or their families pay the cost of an assisted living. Some health and long-term care insurance policies may cover some of the costs associated with the assisted living. In addition, some residents have their own financial assistance programs.
Does Medicare cover the cost of an assisted living facility?
No, the federal Medicare program does not cover the costs of the assisted living facilities or the care they provide.
And in California, Medi-Cal generally doesn't pay for assisted living, so you're not going to be getting coverage through Medi-Cal as you would potentially in a skilled nursing facility. However, there is a waiver program that's available under certain circumstances, and you can contact our office to learn more about the waiver program and what you need to qualify if you have an interest in that. So, Diana, are there any special benefits that are available for veterans in an assisted living facility?
Yes, there is a special program called Veterans Aid and Attendance. This program is for the veteran senior or spouse of the veteran. You can get more information on aid and attendance by calling our office or visiting our website.
So, what are the assisted living facilities in our area and what do they cost?
Meridian of Riverside has the cost for a shared room starting at $1,600 a month. Their private studios start at $2,800 a month. A one-bedroom suite at Meridian is approximately $3,500 a month. At Raincross, which offers assisted living and memory care, the cost for an assisted living starts at $2,700 a month. Their memory care starts at $2,900 a month. Pacifica Senior Living, also in Riverside, their shared rooms begin at $29.95 per month. And the starting cost for a room at Sunrise Canyon Crest is approximately $3,500 a month.
Okay, and the seniors can visit those facilities to get more information if they're interested. Can a senior hire you to assist in finding an assisted living facility for them?
Yes, I'm very familiar with the communities in the Riverside and surrounding areas, and I can, based on your loved one's needs, find a community that's appropriate.
Okay. And you can get more information from us at our website, which is www.cal-elder-lawyer.com, or you can call our office at 951-787-7711 to schedule a free consultation with one of our attorneys or with our geriatric care manager, Diana.